Flatten చెప్పలేదు కదా ఇంతవరకు. Flatten still no not explained, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I will explain today with the flatten. What exactly flatten? Okay. Is a flatten when we'll use means whenever we have to combine like arrays, 2 or 3 arrays means we will go to that flatten. Okay, first we'll write small example where a of 1 comma 2 comma 3 like this. And I will define that different objects, different arrays, like not object array only. That's enough here. 4, 5, 6. We'll create array of object here. I think so. No idea. This same way I will create another one. Okay, fine. Payload of the request. Suggestions is not coming. Okay, I will write. This is not JSON. Sorry, here is a mistake. Okay, this is a flatten. Okay, what exactly flatten? If you use that A means is nothing will come. If you put that, if you concat like the 2 arrays means we'll go to that flatten. I will show that one A. Okay, comma B is coming. Here is not coming. Why means this is a somewhat syntax related issues. What we have to do? We will do like this. Okay. Whenever using that flatten, you have to use compulsory brackets. Without brackets, some error, right? A comma B. Okay. This is a syntax. You have to remember that syntax is inside is a square brackets. Like this. Okay. If you have multiple also, you can concat A comma B comma C, A double C. This keyboard is so. Okay. If you concat arrays, combination of arrays. Okay, without flatten, what we'll do? I will tell you that one. Without flatten, what how to concat, that is what is a difficult. Then what you have to see next example is x comma y. This is a two objects, right? Objects also concatenating, like this is a one object, this is a one object. Okay. Then I will write like that. This one var of e, then a comma b comma c. How like that? Arrays of array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Whenever using that flatten, okay, only one array like this. If you use that flatten, will come like how like that means. I will show that one. Flatten. Now is commanding, right? Here, combination of arrays. C, E. Whenever using that flatten, automatically matching that one. Just concat that arrays, combination of arrays, not combination, addition. Just addition. There is a using of that flatten. Clear? What is the use of that flatten? Flatten is adding the arrays, combination of arrays. Like, okay. The input array of made of supported types. This one is supported like all types, like integer, objects, whatever maybe. We have done two examples, right? Here also one example is there. My data user. See, this is a object inside user. Okay. How like that user and inside is a my array. Two arrays is there. See, this is a user, my array one. Okay. Another one is my array. Okay. Here, how like that my data of user means is getting this object, right? After then my array, my data user, my array means this one and this one is connecting. Okay. Then this is a result. Same way we have done, right? This one x comma y. Here, one example just now we done. We connected of these two, right? This is also same example. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Next we'll go to that. Actually, this is very, very important in real time. When our combination of arrays, right? Then using that flatten. Okay. Just now E, right, is array of arrays, How we have done, how we have concatenated using that flatten. Without this flatten, E, see, array inside one array inside like three arrays. Using that flatten, we have only single array. We are achieving, right? That is a beauty of flatten. Okay. Next, we'll go to that reduce function. How like that reduce? Okay. Reduce also is very, very important in real time. That is applicable for input is array. Okay. Whenever array input, we are using that reduce function. Then first we'll see like syntax, how like that reduce. This is a reduce function. I will explain here is nothing is there. Your after explanation, you will go through this one. I will share this link. Okay. What exactly this reduce function means? This reduce function, whenever we are doing that combination of how to say, we have concatenated members And booleans, if you do that, how to say, some condition check operators, multiple condition check operators, and if you subtract values, adding values, or anything based on the requirement, we have to use that reduce. But generally reduce function input is array. Okay, then what exactly accumulator will do? This one means based on that accumulator only we have to initialize the value. Okay, if you initialize some value is accumulator, based on that one only output will come. Okay, how like that one I will show you. Then after then we'll go to this document. What example will take first? Payload instead of payload. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, how syntax I will explain it. Syntax, okay, same like that map related, right? This reduce also is the same. Item accumulator. Item is called a dollar. Accumulator is a double dollar values. Okay, that whenever we are doing that one, sometimes item plus accumulator, sometimes accumulator plus item. Based on the requirement, we'll change this two. Okay, this accumulator we are assigning the values. How we are assigning, when, which scenario we have to assign, I will tell you that one by one example. Okay, this is a syntax, reduce syntax. I will copy paste in 78. I will put that some reduce examples.
Hi sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Dheeraj.
సార్ నాకు ఒక చిన్న హెల్ప్.
1 minute, Dheeraj. Okay, then this is a, sorry, what we have, this syntax only I'm explaining, right? Okay, this reduce item and accumulator, right? This is syntax. Then we'll go through like how is working. We'll see first. See, now dollar means is coming like that 1. Dollar means is coming 4. Okay, how is working? What is the use this reduce? I will explain one by one. First, we'll take that number example. I will apply this number example on like this one. From 3 comma 4 comma 5. I will change this one to 2. We'll see how is coming 2. 2 minus 3. What is the output? 1. Okay. Next, what is the next one is this one 4, right? 4 minus 1 as a 3. This one is next is a 5. 5, what is the output of 5 minus 3 equal to 2. See, this is array. What is the first one is element 2. Second element is a 3. 2 minus 3. Why? Because we are using that reduce of minus, right? This is a syntax we have to follow. 2 minus 3, 1. Next is a 4. Okay, 4, what is the output? Minus 1. This one, minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Next is a 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Like this. Okay. That's what now is output is 2. See, final output is 2. Okay. Then we'll change is 7, 8, 9, 10. Now also 2. How? Same formula, right? 7, 8 minus 7, 1. This output, next one is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Then 10. What is the output of before output? 8, right? 10 minus 8, 2. Clear? This is very, very important in reduce, how it's working like that. In documentation is not explained this much clear. That's what I'm saying, that with mathematics formula. Okay, then now double dollar minus dollar is a minus 20. Whenever using that accumulator is the first one, and this is the item. This accumulator, this item. Whenever using that exchange, that accumulator minus item means that one we have to consider as like this. 7 minus here, see, same thing using minus 20, right? Here also first output is coming minus 20. How is coming output 20 minus 20 means 7 minus 8 means minus 1. Minus 1 subtract of minus 9. Okay, this one is come as a second. First one is come like this. Here, see, 9 minus 1. Here, 1 minus 9. Why? Because we are using that. What is that? Accumulator is a first, item is a second. Correct? Here, first one is syntax is item minus accumulator. Here, accumulator minus item means that accumulator is nothing but a output. This output. Here, what is output? Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 9. Why? Because we are doing that subtraction of item, right? Minus 9 item, minus 10, minus 10 comma minus 10, minus 20. Clear? This is a two difference. Item minus accumulator, accumulator minus item. Silence means it's not clear or clear. This is a number. Next we'll go to that string. We'll take this example. Concat. Okay. This one we'll see this reduce item accumulator. What I have assigned Z. Okay, accumulator plus item. Okay. Then what is the value? Z, A, B, C, D. Why? Because this accumulator value first will concat like Z, A. Okay. This item, right? Same like above combination. I will show you that one. Above combination. What is that accumulator? Z. Z, A first. Okay. Next is B. Means ZA plus B. ZAB. AB. Next C. Like next D, right? Same above formula. Concatenating. Every item is a concatenating. Like this. Z plus A. ZA plus B. Like this combination will come. Clear? This is output string. Same like what numbers, strings also is applicable for like this. Okay, if you concatenate like this one means we have to do like this. Next we'll go through that Boolean value. How like that Boolean. Also. Okay, how is condition means here this a reduce function. I'm using this multiple condition, true, false, false, true, true. Okay, this is a reduce item accumulator assigned is a false item. And first one is true and false. What is that? False, right? False and false, true. True and false, false. False and true, false. False and true, false. Clear? This is a false, right? First one, false and true. What is the value? False. Next, false and false, true. True and false. What is that output? False, right? Next, false and true, false. False and true, false. This is the final output. We have to use that applicable for Boolean also. Okay. Then next one is Boolean object. We'll see this one object. Very interesting this thing. See, whenever using that flatten, when different arrays, how like that object will come like that different, right? Combination of two arrays means input also is coming input and output is the array combination. Sometimes we have input array, output is the object. Then we'll go to that this way, reduce. Okay, if you're using that reduce, then what I have done here, accumulator, what I have expected is an object. Okay, item plus accumulator. First accumulator, right? Item plus accumulator. Okay, this is item. Then is a one item combination of this one. Next one is coming, right? This accumulator ID name. Okay, next concat of that next second object means then will coming like that whole object ID name. Same like that the string number, right? Same way object also concat like this way. Clear? Okay, if you want array,
Yes, clear.
yeah, if you want array also, we'll do this one, this example. I want output is also array. Okay, this is the input array. Output I want expected like that is a how to say, country and capital. Okay, like this. This is the output I need. Then simple same example. Instead of object, you have to put assign that array. I will show it. Okay, is coming output, right? Outcome means first what we are expecting output is a array, right? Assign that output, what exactly output array. Then accumulator, what is that expecting is like that India, that country plus capital, right? Then here we have concatenated like this way, value dot country plus concat of this one, how to say, the symbol and capital like that. Okay, anything symbol you have to use underscore or star or anything based on that one, using that concat that symbol. That's it. Clear? This is a reduce function. Okay, now we'll go to the documentation part. I will share this documentation link. Okay, then here see what is that use of that accumulator, this dollar, right? We have to assign that initial value. We have assigned like that boolean value and this object value, everything just now we assigned and we have verified, right? Like this. This is the whenever if you want to achieve something means See, just now we need like that output is a array. Okay, that's what we have done is a assign like that array. First example, I have assigned how to say object like that. Sometimes we have to boolean value. What I have assigned false. Why? Because here is what I have done. I am checking that AND condition. Okay, I am using that accumulator value based on that accumulator value. Okay, first value we have concatenated that number, right? That one, what we have to done plus plus and minus minus subtract everything we have done, right? Based on these things only. Accumulator, that one will change based on the requirement, what exactly we need. Based on that one, we will decide here itself. We have to assign that value. Okay. Here some example is there. Please do the practice. This all examples. These examples. Okay. This is the concat. Okay. This total things is a reduce function. You have to use that A, B, C, D related boolean. This one we have done one scenario. Okay. This one also we have completed one scenario. This is also a completed one. This one also is completed one. Here multiple scenarios. Please do the practice. If you have any clarification, please let me know. I will explain clearly. Okay. I will share this thing.